Okay, so I'm going to work, and I have to get my paper. But you're more careful because I'm kind of weak. Because you're older than me. Because you're older than me. You're way older than me. But get that paper up there because you're more brave than me. Yeah, well. So yeah. I'm losing grip. I'm gonna get the paper. I'm gonna jump on the bed. What happens if it breaks? No, she doesn't have much weight. I'm the one which have a more weight. Oh, I'm gonna jump on the bed, quick! Paper. Yeah, thank you. I'm gonna get my bag. It's Johnny's bag, but we share it because I might buy a new bag on episode 21. Yeah. This bag. It's so broken. Zzz. Oh no. Look. It's raining. Look. It's thundering. I have to close the door. Oh my god. Rain is coming in the floor. Close the door quick. Close the door now. Oh no, another thing. The kids are outside playing football in the rain and they're gonna get sick. What's happening? Anyone here? Hello? How come I? What the heck is that? Mike, what are you doing here? I don't know, Jacob. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why is it echoing in this room? I fall from there. I don't know what happened. All I remember is falling over. This gap. Let's see. Oh, I heard about the back rooms before. Yeah, I heard about it before. But this is my first time being in it in real life. Oh my god, what's near there? What is that black stuff? No, we have to go. We have to go.
All these two people, I'm gonna look under the gap. Oh, I can see them. Oh, I can't wait to put them in my new glass and thing, because I got a new one.
What's happening? What the heck is happening? Ah! I'm getting dragged! What the heck is happening? Out of here!
Well, it's time for you not seeing your friends ever again. Do you understand? Because I'm going to shake the box like I did to Ava.
How do you know Ava's name?
I heard her from her husband from a month ago.
Oh, that's a big thing. Oh my god, that's big.
What are you talking about? Shut up.
It's cold.
Back rooms, do you know?
I didn't know.
Well, I don't hear your cringy voice, so shut up. So shake the box. Let's go. Oh, I'm shaking it. I'm shaking it.
Ah! Oh, open up! What the heck?
You are surrounded by FBI. Get back here. Now.
Oh no!
Real FBI.
Free! Ah! Thank you for saving us. Yeah, I'm gonna set teleport up to go back to your house. Later. FBI, this is my last time seeing you. Yeah, you're welcome. back from the FBI. I've killed him. Are you back? Okay, hope you enjoyed that episode. That's the ending. Well, I think this is probably... Well, episode 17. Yeah, episode 17 is done for us today. We made the episode 17 way too long, so yeah. What is this? Well, peace out.